Welcome, boys and girls. This is the first episode of the Frankentable Sansui Rabco build. As you can see, this is not quite a stock Sansui SR-717. It was found at a thrift store without an arm in the trash, but for $10. I knew that this table had some serious possibilities. However, I didn't do anything with it for the better part of well over 2 years. And then our mystery guest appeared. Our mystery guest is... Does that look like a standard Rabco SL-8E? No. I have no idea who did this. They obviously had a clue because, well, they put a nice Grado silver variant on it. And check out that arm. It looks a little hinky from this angle, but it seems to work. And, well, that's my wonderful replacement for the Sansui's controls. Not much to look at, but I really like the minimalist interface. So, we have my beater copy of Wish You Were Here. It was flood damaged, nasty, and, oh yeah, found at the same thrift store. Oh, and these little buttons, or our little controls here, guess where they came from? A hair dryer. Found at, say it with me, a thrift store, but a Goodwill. Don't really like Goodwill for various reasons. But, hey, if it works, more power to you. As you can see, I went through the trouble of using the original mounting holes on the Sansui, just so that I didn't have to drill out new ones. Yeah, I'm lazy. And as you can see, I also used the shim from the original Thorin's Rabco combination. Now, you may notice that we're missing the speed controls. Well, there's a reason for that. Did I mention I'm lazy? Didn't have the 12K and 20K pots, at least that's what I thought I measured on them. So, I just strung together a bunch of resistors, wired to roughly the midsection of the pot's range, and hoped that everything would work out just fine. And the strobe control is kind of messed up here. It doesn't work. So, we're doing okay, and the arm seems to work just fine. Now, I don't have it hooked up to actual speakers, so we're gonna have to jury-rig something for the audio here, but we'll drop the arm. Hopefully you can hear it. As you can tell, it's running a little slow. But that's just because of my pot mod. Well, that's where the build stands right now. We got a long way to go before daylight. But at some point, we're going to substitute this arm board with something a little more durable. I have some candidates of steel and aluminum, but punching the holes for the switches is going to be an absolute nightmare. And I'm pretty sure the VTA isn't anywhere close, thanks to the extremely thick platter. So we're going to have to increase the height on that, and as you can see,
we're maxed out here. Well, tune in next time, true believers. Gonzothegreat signing